What you have is the clap of the rotor blades of the Indian Air Force helicopters flying the Dhwaj formation, which also heralds the beginning of today's parade. The formation leader is trooping the pride of every Indian, our national flag. You will also witness the helicopters showering carpet and spreading the colors of unity and sovereignty.
The General Officer was commissioned in the 3rd Battalion, the Parachute Regiment on 16th December 1989. Served with his battalion in